everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Nova. Now, as you may recall, in the early 60s to late 60s, Chevy Novas were known to be pro street performers. That's because of their light frames, half frames, and pretty cool body style. As you can see on this one, we still have a working speedometer, working gauges. We have our AC Delco 2-knob radio and some small aftermarket gauges to make sure that everything still works the way it should be. As we're going around the block here, you can see that we have no whining in the gears. Our power steering is fine. It's got a little power door. Yet again, if you do decide to buy this car, it would make a perfect race car. Heck, we don't try, it won't hurt you. But anyways, we're slowing down now. We got good brakes, we got good performance. Basically a good Chevy 2. And in Butternut Yellow. Basically a color you don't see anymore coming from Chevy. But anyway, now we're going to turn around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look underneath. We'll see you there.